Welcome to Jim's Kitchen. I do love a French onion soup, but what about a French Funyun soup? We need to try this out. Grab a pot. We need some beef broth. Add that in. Let's start simmering that broth and add a little garlic powder, a teaspoon of mustard powder, and a little shake of soy sauce. When it starts heating up, it's time to mix in those Funyuns. Funyun-y aroma. The Funyuns dissolved quite a bit. Let's scoop some of the soup. Add on a few croutons and some Swiss cheese. And of course you could decorate it with a couple Funyuns. French Funyun soup. It's shockingly good and quite salty. I've started telling everybody about the benefits of eating dried grapes. It's all about raising awareness.